Namaste India, I am Aapta Mitra, your shield, your trusted companion. When danger strikes and an air raid happens, our first line of defense is blackout. Turn off all the lights, draw the curtains, cover every glow, whether it's a bulb or a screen. Why? So the enemy sees nothing and we all stay safe. If you need to move, do so calmly and carefully. No panic, no rushing. Help the elderly, guide the children. Step by step, hand in hand, we walk to safety. Calm, united, ready. If someone is injured, don't worry, stay calm, act fast, stop the bleeding, tie a bandage, call for help. First aid saves lives. To prepare the public, 200 teams, each with one supervisor and 30 trained volunteers, will cover 10 societies every hour. They will guide citizens through 3 essential drills: first blackout, then evacuation, and finally first aid. And to test our alertness, 50 random calls in Delhi will be made to Aapta Mitras on Helpline 112, testing our readiness, our commitment and our courage. I am Aapta Mitra and so are you. Together, we are protectors. Together, we are India's shield.